Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here and Hannah and Emily and she would love to paint Wadi. There you go, sit down. Sorry for that. I'm back to you with something that I haven't expected to record. Will you have your handy there? Thank you. Because you have to see the box that actually arrived literally. Whoa! Yes, literally today. Look at that. Look at that
so
box.
Big.
It's so big, and it is from Arteza. From a paint company, markers company. It's a beautiful, affordable company for everyone, for beginners, for professionals. They have a huge selection of goodies, and actually they sent me, as you can see, a Christmas gift. She wants to paint my hand. We have a little Artista here. Yes. And Emily is helping me to open the package and hold Hannah because it's so hard to. Yeah. Are you painting my hand? I have painted hand. And now it's Emily's turn to be painted. So today we're going to open this box. I have absolutely no clue what's inside. Whoa, Hannah, what would you like?
Wow.
Wow.
Want to see what's inside?
So, without any chats anymore, I'm gonna get it's literally not opened, I hope you know that. And it is like a box for Christmas, because it has a top. It's not like a regular cardboard, you know, it's a box, like a Christmas box. So, it's so exciting. No. It's a pure surprise from Arteza to me. Thank you so much, Arteza, for sending this. Although I have no idea what's inside.
Oh wow, it's actually a box with a like heavy lid.
Now I hope that the camera is able to pick this up because it's very big and it's hard to wait.
This part feeling.
Wait, I just turned this around because I hope that we fit this in the camera. Sorry for the noise. Whoa! So that's the top from the box. Now, how are we gonna fit that? Now, Hannah, kind of. Why don't we put her here on this side, Emily? On my side, more. Yes, and I mind her, so she will be seen in the camera because otherwise.
Also, I'm opening the box.
Well, 2 of us, 3 of us, and we can actually turn this a little bit like here. Come here, closer, Emmy. So, oh yes, so 3 of us can be visible.
Wrapping paper.
They take that. They open it for me. Slowly, Hannah, slowly. Let's take the paper out.
Half pans. And
Watercolors.
Water brush pen.
You can show it to the camera, to this camera actually. Yes.
Half pans.
Let's see if it's sharp.
You can see the reflection. Hello.
Yeah. Hold that, please. And I'm gonna make this sharp. It's pretty sharp now, I think. No, Hannah, not here.
So
you can
there
use it
are
here.
12 half pans, it says, and water brush pen.
There you go.
This is actually quite heavy. Should we open it or no?
In a minute we can actually. Let's put it on the side so we can see what's inside in general. Oh, the box is here. Oh wow, it's so orangey and that's why it's hard to see.
Okay, first these.
These are
sky blue markers.
I think these are alcohol markers. Oh wow, that's awesome. Alcohol markers. No,
they're all
put
the
it down,
same
Hannah.
color, yes. They're pretty.
Thank you. So we have pinks and we have blues.
These are also alcohol-based fuchsia.
These are 2 tips, I think, 2 different tips.
Pretty fuchsias.
Fabulous.
Next,
thank you. Everblend art markers. These are water-based ink, blendable
brush pens, real brush pens.
It's probably similar to what I already got, possibly.
And the second one is green colors.
Okay, so we had the red and green.
And red, tomato red and fresh green.
Oh!
What's in there? Oh, is that paint?
Paint in alcohol, acrylic, not alcohol, acrylic colors, yellow and blue. I don't know, the camera is kind of lying because of the because of the red box inside. So I'll show you in a minute what else is there. This is a huge selection.
Glitter.
Glitter.
We love glitter.
I'm laughing. Happy holidays, Marta. No, not Marta, Arteza.
Arteza. I thought it said that at the start as well.
Beautiful.
Wow. Those are
Okay,
art supplies
oh,
to form a
yes.
Christmas tree.
Look at that, guys. That's so pretty. Thank you very much. Pretty.
Next.
And we have those glitters. I have
12
to open
metallic
them.
gouache colors, since you love gouache.
Oh, I have gouache, so we can definitely give this. We can definitely give this
Away.
away. Absolutely, for someone. 12 metallic gouaches. Yes, those are glitters, Hannah. Absolutely, we can give this away. Would you like to win some gouaches, metallic gouaches? So we can put that on the giveaway.
Here are watercolor books.
Oh no, smaller books.
80
I love
pages,
it.
and there's 3.
Super. I love it so much. Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you very much, Arteza.
And
that's for you, I think, Emily.
so.
I really think it's for you.
Oh, I'm gonna put it down so you can see.
Actually, I take the cardboard.
Yeah.
Wow.
Vibrant colors, rainbow pattern sheets. I ordered something with this kind of thing.
Similar? In school, is it?
At the school, yes.
That's okay. Oh, make that sharp. Good, thank you. So I think Arteza
Scratching.
knows about you girls.
Thank
so,
you.
Look at Hannah being so busy. I'll show you.
Oh, busy.
Yes,
Are you busy?
Yes.
Don't drink that.
More dirty.
Is it dirty? Do you love water? Do you love playing with Waddy?
Oh.
No!
She got a fright. Poor pet.
Aw.
It's okay, Hannah. That's okay, Hannah.
No! No!
We gave her a fright, Emily. Careful. You knew that you're doing something you shouldn't be doing, isn't it? Okay. Anyway, we're chatting about Hanishka rather than chatting about Arteza here. So look at all of these.
Okay, we can move this.
So we have some gouaches. We have
these beautiful books. Oh, Hannah. These.
I would love to. I'm gonna check if these actually water-based inks blendable. Let me see, because I think this one. I'm gonna check it out. I think this one. This is this. I think the set that I have is. Let's see. Real brush pens. Oh, these are the water-based.
No, real brush pens as well.
Okay, so you see, I will give this away as well, guys, for you. Happy Christmas. Why not? These I never tried, so it will be amazing to see, because these are...
They're in like juice containers.
Yes.
Kind of thing.
These are, what you call them, acrylics.
Colors, cobalt blue and light apricot.
Mm-hmm. So we will check them for definite.
These are
and gouache. Oh no.
Beautiful.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh no.
It's okay, Emily.
Oh no.
It's only Waddy.
It's only Waddy.
It's only Waddy. The family Christmas, like, you have to be here and open family Christmas presents, isn't it? Obviously. There you go, Hannah. So
No
these will be going for I'm just reading something happened on my camera. Ustawienia ekspozycji zablokowano, whatever that means. So we will give away these
items.
Yes, we will give away. I'll show you.
Let's put this.
Oopsie. Ah, thanks. It's okay. I think we stopped recording by accident. And we are super close. Okay, so we will give away the gouache colors, and we will give away the real brush pens for 2 people. So one will win one, another will win this. So you have to tell me which one would you like. Would you like the gouaches? There's a sun.
Oh yeah,
Heart sun. Yes. Hearts on?
Heart.
Yes. So would you like to win gouaches or real brush pens? Please, please, please let me know in the comment description below. And actually, why would you like to win maybe? Why would you like to win? Why would you like to have them under your Christmas tree? So let me know. I'm gonna post the video as soon as I can, so I can ship it before Christmas actually to you. So good luck everyone. And Arteza, thank you so much for all the goodies. Such a beautiful haul, such a fabulous.
Whoa!
I have to check the markers for sure because I've never tried them, and I'm looking forward to those books actually. Awesome, awesome,
They're so
awesome.
cute.
Yes. She's fine. She already spilled everything, so it's okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be finishing here. Thank you so much for joining us for this super quick video.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. We're gonna say bye bye.
No.
We have to. We have to, Soneczko. We say
Bye.
bye bye, but you can still paint, Hannah. Okay? Okay?
No.
Are you sad?
Let's paint.
You want to paint? She can give her liver, her heart, her foot, anything to just be with Waddy and just to paint. Am I right?
Yes,
She's a little...
that's so right.
That's all right. She's Bob Ross. Baby. Baby Bob Ross. Okay, guys. I hope you are getting ready slowly. Yeah, that's Bob Ross. He's a painter.
Boy.
He's a painter. Bob
Boy.
Ross t-shirt. That's from Mama's t-shirt. That's from me. I hope you are enjoying your before Christmas time. We surely are as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I have... Oh, sorry.
Toto.
Oh, sorry, Toto. I'm sorry. I touched your Toto. I'm slowly getting ready for Christmas as well. Getting ready, packing and all. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait for Christmas. So, that's it for today. Oh,
Gonna
thank
wrap
you.
up with that.
Absolutely. So don't forget to join the chat, join the giveaway, and I hope you will. Yeah, good luck. I hope you will win, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, Arteza. Actually, thank you very much. Yes, Emily, because you have as well something.
Yes.
I'm not too sure how this happened. It's from 3+, so that's actually nearly for Hannah.
No, she's too young.
That's a glitter.
What's that?
That's a glitter.
A little
Yeah, and who's that?
Glitter.
What's that?
but
Bert. Yes.
B has P.
B. A, B, C, D.
Uh-huh.
Aha. Okay. That's it. Till the next time.
Bye.
Bye. Just one more thing actually before I go. I'll show you the little booklets. Emily is gone scratching already. Hannah is here down. Oh, hi.
Oh, shit.
Sit? You want to sit? But let me show you them because these are so cute. That's why I wanted to show it to you.
Mommy.
Absolutely love them. Look at that.
Mommy.
If lost, return. Very thick, fine. What's the thickness of them? I think it's... Oh, it's 230. It looks much thicker. Nice. 230 grams. Fabulous, fabulous. You can sketch, you can paint, you can do all sorts of things. Look at them. Oh, and you can even put something in here, like notes or whichever. I love it, love it, love it. This is gonna be my new journals, both of them. Not only for art, I think one will be for watercolor, one will be for I love the thing. I love the roughness of it. One will be for watercolor, one will be for art journaling, and the third one, maybe I just alter the cover as a project and give it to someone. Interesting, isn't it? The real brushes thing. Let me open them just to see, just to show you. I can't actually, no, but these are the same as I had, so that's you know, the gouaches. I have the gouaches, so that's why I'm sharing them with you. Let me quickly show you, because when the girls are around I sometimes forget what I'm supposed to do. These are Everblend markers. I love it. These are alcohol based. Is it? No, wait, these are all fuchsias. Wait, so these are all the same color. I thought these are all different shades, but actually not. These are, oh, well then definitely I can share those with you guys as well. The markers, two of the markers, and leave myself two. Haha, I didn't know that these are the same ones. Okay, that's fine. Let me see if I can actually get some paper. I have some Arteza paper here. And let's see if I can actually check it out. Check it out, check it out. Why not? So color like this. I have to still figure out how to use the alcohol art Everblend alcohol markers. So this is for winning, guys. Keep writing comments, please. And yes, and the watercolor set, I didn't actually open it. Let me show it to you. So this is, let's see. Oh, it's in a metal tin. How cute is that? Oh, to make swatches. How cute is that? No way. Oh, I love it. It's a transparent thing. Wow. Okay, we'll be testing that anyway. So that's it. And then was a brush as well with it. Where did it go? Oh, small brush, super cute. Oh, I like that. So if you wish to check Arteza as well, you can follow up my link, because I have a percentage commission from your purchase if you fancy some shopping, because that way you can help out. And I have some from affiliate links. I have some percentage. Wow, look at this gorgeous glitter. And one more. Perfect for Christmas, isn't it? Oopsie. Wow, beautiful. I have unicorn color and purple. Okay, so that will be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for being here. Check the links below. Check Arteza as well if you're interested, and keep commenting because you are about to win some goodies. Good luck, everyone. I'll see how many winners and how I'm gonna be dividing that. Yeah, but anyway, happy Christmas, because sharing is caring, so I'm happy to share my products, the products I received with you. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, Emily is scratching, so now you have your scratchy, please. You can scratch. Wow. Well done, Hannah. Look at you, sissy. Look how pretty is this.
I'm just practicing.
Wow, it's gorgeous, Emily. It's gorgeous. Wow, Hannah. Well done, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Arteza, look at the youngest one.